Alright, let's go over the pots and utensils that you're going to need today. You're going to need a large sauce pot, and this is what we're going to be cooking our rice in. And once we bring it to a boil, we're going to take this lid and reduce the heat and simmer it. We're going to be making a vegetable stock. We're going to be using that today instead of water. I think it will give it a much better flavor. We're going to need this pot right here. This is what we're going to put the beer in, and we're going to bring that beer to a boil. And then we're going to put this strainer right here over the top, and we're going to let the heat of the beer come up and steam our shrimp. We're going to have a small plastic bowl, and what we're going to do with that is when we get the shrimp, we're going to be taking the shells off, and we're going to keep them in here so that we don't contaminate any of the other food items. We're going to use a frying pan or a saute pan, and this is what we're going to be cooking our vegetables in. We're also going to be using a spoon to help stir up our items. We're going to have a knife to cut our vegetables. We're going to have a cutting board, measuring cups, measuring spoons, and because we're using shrimp, we're going to be using a pair of gloves.